Moving. Yeah. I'm going out to see the fireworks, okay? It's firework day. Bonfire Night, I think it's called. What's in my mustache? Ugh, I need to shave. Mustache. Not really, I just have to take the pieces out. What are you sleeping without Fafa? Help me! I've got pointy hair and I can't get it off my head. Oh, I'm just sleeping with him to protect him from the scary pumpkin god. Oh my god, he's there! Okay, you go sleep. Okay. Okay. Huh? People outside, there's kids. Little kitties playing Fortnite outside.
Oh, I'm gonna go have some fireworks. Another day, another firework. Good old days. For fireworks. Whoa, get out my way! Oh my god, it's gone! It's gonna go over me again!
Firework. Put it in the word. Bold. Cook. Oh, what it is.
Time to set up the firework. Where is it? Oh, it's right there. Wait, get up my way.
Sorry.
Run!
Oh, this is the big one. Does that have words? Oh, that's it. I'm blind. Yeah?
Behind you. Today we are gonna light this up. Just set PP. Let's go. That way. Okay. This one's a hard one. Mason? No, not Mason.
Mason?
I don't know. Okay.
On the top. No, not on the top there.
Move back.
No reaction. Fireworks.
Would I touch it?
I want to.
Come with my mouth.
Okay, you have to move.
Okay.
Stand up a little. Okay. Fuzzy my balls. Okay. Oh. What's this
Mate, I'm over there. There you go.
Okay guys, this guy is elbowed me in the head, but let's smoke this. What's this?